From creaming butter and sugar correctly to preheating the oven, every step counts toward the perfect cake, yet your prep can be undone by choosing the wrong pan. Colorful stoneware and Pyrex pans look great, but they simply aren't as heat conductive as those solid metal pans found stacked in professional bakeries all over the world.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best cake pans in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart Chef's Classic Nonstick 9. Let's face it, just as much effort goes into preparing to bake and then cleaning up as it does actually mixing and baking the cake. Anything to help cut down on prep and cleanup time is a welcome addition to your baking arsenal. The Cuisinart Chef's Classic Nonstick 9-inch cake pan reduces the amount of effort that goes into prepping your cake pan because it really only needs a quick hit of cooking spray before filling with cake batter, as opposed to the more labor-intensive process of butter and flouring your pans. Additionally, the non-stick coating reduces stuck-on crumbs and releases any that may have managed to stick anyway without extensive soaking. Number 2. Fat Daddio's Anodized Aluminum Round Cake Pan. Consider this best-selling set of 3 round cake pans, a 3x 2-inch, a 5x 2-inch, and a 7x 2-inch, the ideal starter set. Though extremely budget-friendly, the quality is there. The pans, which are made of aluminum, heat and cool quickly, allowing for a faster, more even rise. The material is also extremely durable and naturally resists rust and corrosion, great for anyone who regularly bakes with highly acidic ingredients, like citrus. Anyone with concerns about non-stick coatings will love that these pans are anodized, not coated. This environmentally friendly process yields similar results but contains no chemical additives, dyes, or potentially harmful compounds that can transfer peel or flake into baked goods. Number 3. Farberware Non-Stick Bakeware Baking Pan. A 9x 13-inch rectangular baking pan is a must in any kitchen, certainly for sheet cakes, but also for a multitude of other baked foods, including lasagna, casseroles, cobblers, and cornbread. There's also a good chance that whatever you're baking in a rectangular pan, you'll be sharing with other people. This pan includes a snap-on plastic lid that protects what's inside if you need to stack anything on top of it, covers the edges of the pan to prevent any spillage, and allows you to see what's inside during transport. The pan is made of alloy steel and finished with rolled edges to prevent warping during baking and transport. Number 4. Nordic Ware 75th Anniversary Braided Bundt Pan. If you want to impress a crowd, but are wary of Bundt pans because of their intricacy, this is a great pick. The design is solid and interesting enough to please the eye, but it doesn't have fanciful, deep grooves that can make releasing the cake a nerve-wracking feat. Nordic Ware is a leading producer of Bundt cake bakeware and uses top-of-the-line materials. The durable cast aluminum construction has a premium PFOA-free non-stick coating. Together these features ensure even baking and easy removal, so you can confidently serve up a beautifully designed naked cake. Number 5. Wilton Countless Celebrations. If you really want to surprise the special birthday honoree, trade your typical round cake for a more highly personalized one. This affordable 10-piece set comes with a unique rectangular pan that features a grid and inserts that allow you to create any letter of the alphabet and numbers from 0 to 9. Despite the perceived intricacy, there's little fuss for the baker to endure. The pan, which is made of steel and has a non-stick coating, allows for both easy release and quick cleanup, two things you'll be grateful for when you have a lengthy to-do list to tackle in preparation for the party. That was our list of the top 5 best cake pans just for you.